Today I'm going to be talking about the Mercury and Retrograde bath bomb that came out in Lush's Halloween collection this year. It's the first year it's ever come out. If you'd like to just see the demo part, I totally get it, so I'll put a timestamp here and you can skip all of my input about this bath bomb because sometimes that gets annoying and I totally get it. So I used this bath bomb when I was in Texas visiting some family, so if you notice that my bathtub looks a little different, it's because I'm in Austin, Texas. The outward appearance of this bath bomb is really Halloween-y and festive, which I really like. What I really like about this bath bomb in particular is that it has a seasonal look and vibe to it, and it also has a very seasonal appropriate scent. If you were around in the Lushy days of yore in 2010 Lush Christmas, you will recognize the scent because it is in the exact same scent family as the Gingerbread House Bubble Bar, which I really loved and they never brought it back. But now we have this bath bomb, which I really like a whole lot. Its overall scent is ginger, but it also has a few other ingredients in there that kind of make it more sweet and a little bit different than your average ginger scent. It's $7.95, which obviously for one bath is expensive, but everything from Lush is a little bit on the pricier side, so if you're looking for a happy Halloween bath, I would go for it. It has lemon, gardenia, cinnamon, and ginger, so it has a bunch of really amazing ingredients. Scent-wise, in my opinion, I really like spicier scents. Also, the layer outside has black salt in it, which I think is really cool. So the reason this bath bomb is called Mercury and Retrograde is because apparently, I'm getting this from Lush's Instagram, they said, our last Mercury Retrograde was on Friday the 13th, and the next one hits on Halloween. So that is why they called this bath bomb Mercury in Retrograde, which I think is kind of interesting. It has to do with astrology, and it's like, it means bad things are going on, so it's a little scary. If you like videos like this, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you don't like them, give it a thumbs down. It helps me with what I'm creating for you guys to watch, so just let me know by either commenting or rating this video some way, and I'll really appreciate that. This bath bomb does have really pretty bath art. It has a very foamy consistency. It's a somewhat slow fizzer. It's definitely not fast. Obviously the bath bomb is mostly orange, so the water in the end is pretty much just orange. After I was done with my bath, I didn't notice any particular like ring around the bathtub. I know that a lot of people care about that. The next day you could definitely tell that I needed to clean it out just a little bit, so always clean your bathtub after you use a bath bomb. So now I'm going to show you what this bath bomb looks like in action. Thank you for listening to me ramble about this for some minutes. Pretty much 10 out of 10. It's really amazing, and I'd recommend it to anybody who likes spicier scents and wants a good fall / Halloween bath treat. I really hope that Lush brings this out in the years to come because it's kind of like perfect for this time of year. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram. I've been a lot more active on there lately, and check out my vlog channel. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and I'll see you guys all very soon. Bye!